to do a experiment about DNA extraction from own chick cell. First is put 1/2 cup of lukewarm water into a transparent cup. The second thing to do is get a salt. Place 1/4 spoon of a salt in a cup. Stir it until it will dissolve. Gargle a mouthful of the solution for 1 minute. After 1 minute, place the gargled solution in a transparent cup. The fifth thing to do is get a liquid detergent. Add 2 drops of liquid detergent and stir it slowly to avoid. After stirring it, add 50 ml of a cold rubbing alcohol. Do not stir it. After putting 50 ml of a cold water rubbing alcohol, wait for 10 or more minutes until DNA structure, elongated and flexible structure, is developed and visible.